Well, shackled and flanked by guards, one of the region's most notorious fugitives was back in Chester County today to face new charges connected to his infamous escape. Convicted killer Danelo Cavalcante was on the run for 2 very tense weeks after scaling prison walls last August. This afternoon, as he faced a judge, we learn more about his time on the run. Action News reporter Becca Hendrickson live outside the courthouse in Kennett Square tonight. Becca, some fascinating details revealed in court today.
Brian, we learned a lot more about the 2 weeks Cavalcante was on the run and the 20 new charges he's facing because of it. He was brought in by a large group of armed law enforcement, and also residents came by to get their first look at him since those 2 weeks he was on the run. Wearing an orange jumpsuit, his curly hair hanging over his eyes, 34-year-old Danelo Cavalcante walked into court shackled and came face to face with the neighbors he terrorized over 2 weeks on the run. Inside, he stayed stoic, listening to a translator as the state laid out its case for new charges against the prisoner, including burglary. The Attorney General's office is prosecuting and showed a timeline starting on August 31st, when Cavalcante escaped from Chester County Prison, crab walking up the walls. Prosecutors first interviewed corrections workers and then the neighbors who Cavalcante encountered over his 2 weeks on the run, including this man who came face to face with the prisoner in his garage. Cavalcante stole a .22 caliber rifle from this resident, who shot his pistol back at Cavalcante as he ran away. Neighbors in Chester County who lived in fear over these 2 weeks in September said they came to this preliminary hearing for closure.
We were just, really concerned about it at the time, and we were hoping, it wouldn't happen again.
Lindsay Yates also brought her 2 children to court, hoping they'd learn about the legal system.
This would be a high-profile case to really learn something from and get interested in, and plus just to kind of put closure to the whole scenario.
Brian, the next step here is a formal arraignment, which is scheduled for February 15th. As for Cavalcante, regardless of this case, he's going to spend his life behind bars. He was convicted of first-degree murder a week before he escaped. Live here in Kennett Square, Becca Hendrickson, Channel 6 Action News. Brian?
A story so many will be talking about for a very long time.